Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today, I've got to go to Prosser, go to the doctor, find out what's wrong with me. So, this video will be a little bit different.
Why is my directions upside down?
Okay, we're Prosser. I want to check out their farm store.
You need a medium or a large?
Well, a really neat store. A lot of neat stuff in it. I'll definitely stop here again. Prosser, what a nice town. Here we are, gone by Selah. Well, I'm back from Prosser. Good news is I don't have to have surgery. Bad news is I just got to deal with what this pain is the rest of my life, apparently. Anyway, we have some good stuff for the pigs. Alright, sliced up the apples. Here, Harold inside, he's just going crazy. Knows he's getting some treats. Okay, everybody got dessert before they got their normal feed. Even those chickens, gave them some tomatoes and bell pepper. Special treat for them. Special treat for these guys here. Ow. The two red ones were out too, but oh, there they are. Camera hog. There you are. You want some special treats, huh? You want some grain now, don't you? Yes, you do. Penelope? You're spoiled as Harold is. Okay, you might think this is a little overkill, but I went to the doctor and I left my pocket knife at home in my room because I was afraid we didn't let knives in. That's the way it is in Yakima, but Prosser, a lot more better place. Didn't go through a metal detector or anything. Chickens are enjoying the bell pepper. All right, we got 8 eggs today, so that's still one less than normal. Somebody's not doing their job here. Piggy. Piggy. Well, everybody seems happy in there. So I'm off to see the wizard. Well, we have 3 more boxes of goodies that were donated for the pigs. And so they'll be happy most of this week. And well, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.